Yes naman po.
What challenges you faced during your journey to Manila? How did that experience shape the person you are today?
Ayun, pinaka-challenges, one is yung face-to-face, yung schedule ko. Bilang isang influencer, I want to sacrifice ko yung time ko sa online class, home study, and face-to-face din at the same time. At yung time management ang pinakamahirap. And right now, sobrang malaking achievement to para sa akin.
So, now that you have graduated, what are your next steps? Have you already found a job or what are your plans?
Actually, I'm a businessman for the longest time since I was 18 years old. And right now, I'm turning 51. Kaya ngayon ako nakapagtapos dahil syempre, grind ako ng grind. Pagdating sa karera, hindi ko hinahayaan basta pag may pangarap, tinuloy-tuloy ko. So ngayon, at may age of 51, kino-continue ko yung pangarap ko. Kung kaya ko pa mag-take ng second degree at mag-masteral, bakit hindi natin ito
Yes. What was your most memorable moment or experience during your college life?
The most memorable is yung kailangan mong magpaalam na kahit alam mong committed ka sa ibang work, kailangan mo talagang magpaalam sa school. Yun yung core value ko na meron sa akin commitment. Yun po yung pinakaano sa akin na kailangan ko magpaalam. Huwag ako mag-cheat, huwag ako maging tumakas sa school. Bawal ng cutting classes.
So ano po, may mga gusto mo ba kayong advice sa mga college student ngayon?
Yeah, of course, sa lahat mga from Gen Z, Gen Alpha, ako bilang Gen X, hindi ko hinayaan na mahinto ang aking pag-aaral while I'm earning my money, while I'm grinding my business. I still pursue my please do chase your dream, ayan, for you to achieve your goal, ayan.
Ito na po, if you had to summarize your entire grad school experience in a single headline, what would it be?
Again.
If you had to summarize your entire grad school experience in a single headline,
Well, my single headline will be never give up. Never give up on your dreams and follow your heart. Ayan.
and thank you, sir.
Thank you po.
Thank you po. God bless.